everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So as you've read from today's title of the video, we're going to be doing a huge US haul. So for those of you all who don't know, after my board exams, I went to the United States of America for a trip and I stayed there for a month and I did a lot of shopping. And I'm not even kidding you all when I say a lot, it is a lot. So without any further delay, let's start with today's video. I wanted cute Pinteresty aesthetic tops which will go with like the fits that I want to style and which will also be appropriate for college wear since I'm going to be starting my college soon. So I had that idea in mind and keeping that thing in mind, I've done a lot of top shopping. So let me show you. The first top that I'm going to show you all is this top. This is what it looks like. This is in a light orange color and it has a dark orange design right in front here. It is a guitar, and I don't even play guitar, but I thought this top was very cute and it'll look very nice with a dark blue denim jeans. And yeah, that I got that top from Cotton On. Then we have this top, the basic white top with green sleeves and green collar. I again thought this will look very cute with black jeans or black trousers, and it'll be appropriate for college too. Moving on, we got a tank top. It's a crop tank top. I got this from Cotton On and I've not worn it yet, but I think it's very cute. I got this in this red color kind of, and I think this top looks very cute when you style with black trousers or even light blue jeans. Then we have another tank top kind of. It has like kind of spaghetti strip here, and again I got this from Cotton On. It's in this ochre plus gray color. It is not exactly ochre but not exactly gray. Then we have this white top. It has a heart in the middle and it's surrounded by butterflies and it says Dolly. I don't know what that means, but I think that top is very cute. So I just got it. Then again, from Old Navy, we have one more tank top. I got like three tank tops, two of them which I can wear on everyday basis. Again, I got this one from Old Navy and this is very cute. I've not styled it yet and I cannot wait to style this. Then we have again a baby tee. Then I have this baby tee in this gray color. I again got this from Cotton On and this is such a steal. It looks so good when you pair it with blue jeans and you just tuck it in. Then we have a basic black top, like a basic black baby tee kind of thing. I think everybody should have this in their wardrobe. This looks so cute with any kind of jeans that you can pair. White, black, blue. This looks so cute. This is a basic thing. And I'll pop up a picture right over here. I styled this top in New York and it looks so cute with the outfit that I paired. Then my personal favorite is, it's not a tank top, it's like a sleeveless um top. It's not cropped also. I got this one from Hollister. No, I got this one from Cotton On. It says the Malibu Flower Club and it has butterflies and flower in this dark green or parrot green kind of color. I think that is also very cute. I again styled this and I'll pop up a picture of that outfit over here on screen too. And I think that looked so beautiful. Then we have again a sleeveless top. I don't know where it is from. It's in a white color and it has brown stripes. And I think brown color or brown stripes on brown skin complexion looks very beautiful. So keeping that in mind, I had bought that. My favorite top, I got this one. So it's a teal green kind of top. It's not gray as it is showing on screen. It is in a teal green color and it has this lace border if you can see it, and also the sleeves are made up of lace. And I think that top is very cute. I will again pop up a picture of me wearing that top. I wore that in Vegas. I wore that in Vegas and it looks so cute. Then we have a tube top that I got again from I got this top from Hollister. It's just in a baby blue color and it says 13 right over here. 13 number does not mean anything to me. I just got this top because I thought it is very cute and you can wear it reversible. So if you want only plain blue, you can also wear that. It's like two-sided, just like some people. But I think this top is again very cute. And this one I got from Hollister. Then we have the last top that I got. I got this from Paper Crane. It's in this ochre sap green color and it has dark brown and light ochre flowers on it, and I think this is very cute. This is what it looks like. It has a deep v-neck, so I'll have to wear something underneath it, but without that I think also this is fine and I like this top. So I got one pair of shorts. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It's very Pinteresty. It was straight out of my Pinterest board, and when I saw this I was like, I have to get this. So I got this and it has pink hearts all over it, and I think it is a pajama short and I cannot wear it to wear it for bed and I'm not worn it yet. So I got this. I got this from Walmart. If I'm not wrong, yeah, I got this from Walmart. Then we have these tapering, low-rise tapering jeans. These taper at the bottom. These are in black color. These are low-rise, and it has pockets on both the sides and also on behind. I got this one from Hollister. It looks like this. I wore it with the green Malibu flower top, and I pop up a picture. It looked so cute. The outfit looked so good. I got a lot of compliments for that outfit specifically, the one that I wore. People really liked that. Then I got a jeans from Old Navy. This is what it looks like. These flare at the bottom. I got these from Old Navy. These are flare and they look super cute. I have worn it with the black top that I showed you all. I wore it with a lot of tops and it looks so cute. It looks so cute. I really love these jeans. I've got like two hoodies. So this is a crew neck. I got this from a local street shop on New York, in New York streets. It says New York in this light blue color and it is in a blue color, denim blue color kind of. And that is what it looks like. It has fuzz inside it, but I cannot wear this, of course, in Mumbai weather. Not right now, any which ways. I can wear it in December or January, but right now I cannot. But yeah, I wanted one crew neck and I had to buy that when I saw that. I really liked it. Then we have a zip up hoodie in white color. This is what it looks like. I got this from Hollister again. It is a cropped zip up hoodie, jacket with a hood also. First and foremost, I brought the Ariana Grande's Cloud perfume. It smells so good, like so good, so good. I love this, and I've I've just started using it. The next perfume or body mist you can say I got was Magic in the Air from Bath and Body Works. This is what it looks like. It again, this is a strong smell. It's not sweet. It's a strong smell, and I think this is also very cute. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good, so good. Then moving on to makeup, I got three lip glosses, like two lip glosses and one lip oil kind of thing. So this is the first one that I got. It is glossed one. I got this one from Sephora and it is in this baby pink kind of shade. And I think it is very cute. If we have another one from Sephora, it's in this nude shade, more of a nude shade it is. Rather than that, it is I don't know what shade it is, but yeah, I got this from Sephora, that's for sure, and it looks like this. If I find the shade, I'll link it down in the description box below in case you want to buy it. Then I got the Fat Oil. It looks like red on camera, but off camera it's more of a pink kind of shade, and it looks so good with any outfit you wear, Indian or maybe Indian or Western outfit. It looks so cute. It looks red, but trust me, it is not red. It looks pink on your lips. I brought these press-on nails. I hope you can see them. I'll show you like this. Yeah, I brought these press-on nails. I brought these from Marshalls, and I think these are so cute. These are in a baby pink color. Do not mind the packaging. I was trying to open it very peacefully, but it did not budge, and I had to just me being impatient. I just had to tear it, so I just tore it down. This is what it looks like up close. I didn't buy a lot of jewelry, but I will show you. So I first buy this golden bracelet. I hope you can see. Yeah, this golden bracelet. It's kind of this chain. I don't know what design it is. And then again, I got this one. It's again a golden bracelet. These look very cute. Then I have this, the most cutest necklace ever. Can you see? This is what it looks like up close. It's a bow necklace and I think it is very adorable once you wear it. I have not worn it yet. I'm waiting for my birthday to wear this. And also with it, I have these matching bow earrings. I got these hoops. Actually, my mom got these for her. It's like gold body and it has diamonds. Then we have plain golden hoops. And then we have another silver hoops with like golden border over here. Then as me, I got these mini golden hoops. I think these are very cute and they go with any outfit honestly. Then second ones I have this, like they have wave design kind of to them, and then again in an oval shape but the same gold hoops but in an oval shape. Yeah, so that's the only jewelry I got. So let me show you all the shoes that I got. So I got these ones. these canvas shoes. These are from the brand. I got these from Costco. These are from the brand name Treton. It's a Sweden brand, and I think these look so cute. Can you see? I'll show you up close. Yeah, these are in this white, and then it has some brown design on the side like this, brown or gray. And I've not worn them yet, but I think these are so cute. Then moving on to heels, I got these white heels. I think they are so pretty. They are straight out of Pinterest board. I have been saving outfits and fit checks on Pinterest boards, and I just had seen these heels, and I was like, I'll buy some kind of heels similar to this, and I bought them. These are from Dream Paris, and this is what they look like. I think these are so cute. And with that, we've come towards the end of today's video. If you all have enjoyed this USA haul, make sure to comment, subscribe to my channel, and like today's video. Turn on the post notifications so you guys get notified whenever I post. I hope you all stay happy and healthy. Till then, see you. Bye.